because I want to stream. I didn't know what to do or where to go. I said, let's fight to that garage. It's got nice aesthetics. I get that Timaniki. So I'm on, I could see him. So I go around, I'm like avoiding this guy because I don't like drama. I don't want to lie. You know what I mean? I don't like drama. Things can happen. I don't like fighting. People can get hurt. So I go around as this guy sees me. And he just comes, hey, Violes, and then he hugs me. And I'm just like, Joe, like, you guys talk rubbish all the time. But when you see us, you want to act like it's all good. You know what I mean? But I'm just like, let me not act up. This bro, my hands are even in the jacket. They're like, I gotta get chill. Hey, Violes. I'm just like, yo, Dimani, Joe. I'm like, okay, fine, it's done. This bro comes back, yo, Violes. I'm just like, Joe, Dimani, Joe. Then he tries to pick me up, and then he...
Pick you up?
Brazen. And then my earring fell, because, you know, he was manhandling me, pause. And then now I'm looking for my earring. Now I'm irritated because I'm like, Brazen, if I lose this earring, it's not insured. This guy, is he going to be able to pay for this earring? I don't know how much McG pays him. I'm worried. So I'm looking for this earring. And then I say, okay, fine, it's done. We get the earring.
Yeah.
We go outside. This bro comes again. Yo, Violes! Yo. Joe, I'm so irritated, Joe. Because I'm like, number one, you guys are always talking rubbish on your platforms, which is fine. I need you guys saying you're doing your job. It's okay. But then when you see me, don't act friendly. Like, keep the same energy. Like, but that bro comes up to me, and I'm just like, Joe,
I love you, Violes.
Hey, dog. Me, I love you, dog. Which also proves that these guys are actually just fans. Like, they don't mean anything by what they're doing. They're just trying to get my attention. You know, that podcast, they're just trying to get my attention. They know if they say my name, there's a lot of attention that comes with it. And
hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Man, uke Spanish vest ukhuluma angalendzaba la video le trenda yakhe naSol Phenduka, whereby he was ignoring uSol Phenduka kanathi, hey, Violes, I love you, Violes. Uthi njena that guy was drunk, amhaga like a girl, was wamiswa neleqiqi lakhe. Uthi I had to look for that earring because it's very expensive, and bengibuta ukuthi uma ngalitholi khona yini kulibhadala lona, ubhadala malini uMacG lapha ku-podcast. So he's saying ukuthi uyabona mani ukuthi lamajida ayamthanda, but the reason why bakhuluma ngaye ukuthi bayat ukuthi mabakhuluma ngaye they're gonna get views, yabo. But he's saying ukuthi if you're gonna talk shit about her on your podcast, ubothi mawusohlangana naye phela and keep the same energy ukuthi vele wena umfatile. Le nto yokuthi udokhuluma ishit ngaye ku-podcast bese mawumbona wena ngazuthi yamthanda, uthi hayi le nto liyakafani naye akayithandi vele. If wena ubona ukuthi awumthandi ukhuluma kabi ngaye kuma-podcast, keep the same energy. Noma sowumbona, you know, one thing I've noticed about uSol, mina ngiyabona ukuthi uSol uyamthanda mani kuCasper. Uyifan yaCasper, uyamthanda. And the reason why sometimes akhuluma ngaye ukwamnaka mara iMacG ukuthi makakhuluma ngasamething akafuna umphikise. Phela iboss yakhe makakhuluma ngasamething or akhuluma ngemuntu kufanele naye avumelane naye ngisho eva ukuthi phela mina lo muntu ngiyamnqanya. Sometimes ngifela ngazuthi uSol akana backbone. Like sometimes he just agrees with whatever MacG that he's saying. Ngishabona ukuthi le nto akavumelani nayo. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.